Turner, in this case, it's the Bamford Wuffler. We had mention of R.A. Lister at one time. Probably the other really great machinery firm was Bamford of Uttoxeter. I'm sure you've all heard of JCB. The B in JCB is Bamford. That was Joseph Cyril Bamford, Massey Harris. I think it's the Massey Ferguson 703 Baler. The 7 indicates that it was built in this tractor, in this country. Brian's just getting ready. Beautifully reliable. I'm not saying it won't throw a loose one, but it's beautiful and reliable with the Ferguson and Massey Ferguson balers. Quite steady, as you can see. The mouth of the baler is quite small, but Brian's just about to get now to start to pick up the hay. There we go. So what happens is there is a reel with times, the pickup reel it's called, because that's what it does. It grabs hold of the hay, does the times as it's rotating, throws it into the chamber. There's the wooden packer arms there, feeding it into the chamber, and the ram will then push it out towards the rear of the baler. The packer arms, you'll have heard me say, are wooden. That's very wise, because just occasionally something goes wrong. If the timing goes wrong, then there will be a bang, but hopefully it's just the wooden packer that's gone. Put another one in, put the timing right, and away you go. Obviously it's a very stressful time of haymaking, so you do not want to break down, but if we did get one here today, then at least it would be authentic. So we've got the hay in the chamber now. At the back there's a clamp. You can alter the tension of the bale. As it passes through the chamber, then it gets more compacted all the time. That the levers at the back make that compacted. Yeah, I think somebody else can lift that one. So Brian's going nicely along there. You can tell by the noise that it makes, so very little noise. What a smooth running baler, the 703. So I'll just let you enjoy those last few yards of that, ladies and gentlemen. I do believe we've lost one, Brian. As I said, this is an authentic demonstration. Going to get the bale passed up, this gentleman. Ooh, crikey, I felt that. The rest of the boys have been kind enough to stay in the ring while we're doing this display, so hopefully you can see a lot of the tractors still. The owners are always more than happy to tell you a little bit. I know I've told you a little bit about all these tractors, but the owners always know more than I do. I'm sure they'll be all just very pleased to have a word with you. We're parked down at the bottom. As I'm stood here, we're down at the bottom. The rest of the tractors are with us, but we do have a Ferguson Club stand there. 1 or 2 Ferguson Club goodies, you might say. 1 or 2 information sheets. Worth your while having a trip down to the bottom there to see not just the Ferguson and the Ferguson Club, but all the vintage tractors. Brian's turning a nice bale out now again. Yes, please do come down and see us and have a natter. Tell you a little bit about Ferguson, about the Ferguson Club. It's been going 40 years now as the Ferguson Club, so it's been successful, there's no doubt about it. I've enjoyed my time. I was actually chairman up to 2 years ago, and I enjoyed my time as chairman. Very sociable club. So Brian is getting on a great success rate so far. We'll wait to see if we lose one, though we don't count our chickens. Nice firm compacted bale, just the job. The 35 tractor there, it's obviously well on top of the job. You can't hear it knocking or banging, it's just smooth. The smooth Perkins diesel engine. another couple I would think will see us to the end of the row. We don't want to leave a load of loose hay in the ring. Massey Ferguson are very kind to let us do this demo, so we will tidy up as best we can before we go back down to the park. So you can see there's quite a lot of loose hay Brian's able to pick up, and John there tidying up by hand. Most efficient, look at that, where Brian's been now, there's hardly a trace of the hay. The pick-up time, doing their job. Big lump here, come in to try and get that. Well done.
Got a quick release coupling for tipping the trailer, etc. Wouldn't originally have quick release, but of course it's so handy just to put it in. Always in steel, so that's a great success. Here we've got the 135 Industrial, the MF20 as it's badged. I think a very similar vehicle was the 2135, am I right? Yeah. I like that when people nod their head. Keith Hutchison here. Massey Ferguson 35. Yeah, not a 35X. Swinging drawbar again on the back there. Margaret Metcalf with the 135 and the loader. I can remember when Father bought a loader for his tractor, it was a lot better than the gripe, I should say so. X for extras, extra horsepower, extra system. You could get multi-power with that tractor. Here we go. Tractor running fine. Andrew just taking the lazy way. Don't forget, folks, if you know any details about that trailer, come see Andrew. There's the 165 with the multi-power, which works. It usually does. It's a good system. You've got to know how to use it, though, I'll warn you. John Lister and Dog with the FF30. What do you call the dog, John? There you go. The FF30 built in Saint Denis, France. Basically, if you walk past it, apart from the colour, you wouldn't notice the difference. The 35 with swinging drawbar. Young man with the 4 cylinders still running nicely. Transport box on the back. Here's the woofler. So we've got the Lucas lighting, or part of the Lucas lighting, and the Bamford woofler. Simple but totally effective. Excellent. This gentleman was helping us with the demo, thank you for that. Nice original tractor as well, beautiful. And it looks as if the Baler's gone, John, so I think, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our demonstration. I hope you've enjoyed it. As I said earlier, do come down and have a word with us. It's always pleased to see you, and thank you very much.
Thanks.